Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the one arm, one leg V-up. For our one arm, one leg V-up, we're going to leave one leg straight, or one leg straight and one leg bent. Keep one arm straight, the other arm down by our side. We're going to reach up and meet our arm and our leg in the middle. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to do the one arm, one leg V-up. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. One arm, one leg V-up, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.